Our friend Bouncy is back. Are you ready for an adventure where the characters communicate through pictures? Let's watch. It has been a boring day for Mia and Manoj. They decide to go in search of an adventure. Do you think they will find one? Their search soon proves fruitful. They find a magic wand. This wand does only one very special thing. It can take them anywhere they want to go.
Manoj, look! A magic wand! This is our lucky day. Let's wish for an adventure, shall we? Let's visit an exotic country. Magic wand, take us to China.
It worked! The magic wand has transported them to China.
Wow! We are really in China! I can't believe it! This is amazing! I'm so excited!
The children excitedly explored the place and see many interesting things. But soon they got tired and hungry. It was then that they came across a little Chinese boy.
Hi, little boy. What's your name? Do you know where we can get water? I guess he doesn't know English. Let's try acting it out. I don't think he can understand that either. Maybe we can draw and show him pictures of what we want or are trying to say.
Draw pictures to show the little Chinese boy that you are thirsty and would like some water. This is what Mia and Manoj drew to try and convey their message to the little Chinese boy.
Thank you. Do you go to school, little boy?
Draw a picture to represent Manoj's question. Do you go to school? Mia drew this and the Chinese boy nodded. Looks like the boy has a few questions of his own too. Take a look at his drawings and try to figure out what he is trying to ask Mia and Manoj. The little boy was trying to ask the following questions. Are you both from India? How did you come from India to China? By plane, on a train, or by boat? Are you hungry? Would you like some food? Were you able to interpret the Chinese boy's pictures to understand what he was trying to ask? Now it is your turn to ask him a few questions with the help of pictures. Take a look at the questions and draw pictures to represent each. Add 2 more questions of your own. Imagine what the Chinese boy's answer would be and draw those as well. Now again, it is your turn to ask him a few questions. Take a look at the questions and draw pictures to represent each. Add 2 more questions of your own. Now imagine what the Chinese boy's answer would be and draw those as well. Wasn't that fun? A picture can sometimes be worth more than 1,000 words. Now you know that words are not everything. You can draw creative pictures to get your message across too.